practice all around. Hello, this is the Igbo Tutor Live. If you are supposed to be in this class, we expect you to join the class by now, as the class will start any moment from now. We are waiting for members of this channel to join up so we can begin the class. Of course, you know that the live class is meant to sharpen our skills and then test us on our progress so far made in our journey to learning Igbo language. So if you are seeing me right now, you are opportune to be part of this live class. Maybe you are watching a replay. You should know that for you to participate in the live class, you need to be a member of this channel. So you do well to join our channel membership. That way, you can participate directly during the live class. Otherwise, you can only watch the replay. To join our channel membership is very simple. Hit the join button below so you can do the needful and become a channel member. There are a lot of advantages for being a channel member. You stand to gain free ebook every month, and then free live class every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time. So you have a lot to gain by being a member of this channel. You also have opportunity to reach out to me directly for further assistance. So what are you waiting for? Join our channel membership today, and you'll be glad you did. This is the Igbo Tutor Live. So we will be waiting for members of the channel to come on board because we are live, courtesy of their payment. Yamere. We have to wait for them. Anyị ga-echere ndị otu ezinụlọ Igbo. We call them the Igbo family. Maka ha bụ ndị kwụrụ ego mere anyị ji nọrọ n'ikuku n'oge a ikwusa ma kụzie asụsụ Igbo. Ya mere ọ bụrụ na ị na-esonyere anyị n'ikiri nkụzi a na chanel anyị, ị ga-enwe obere ndidi ka ndị kwụrụ ụgwọ nkụzi a bata n'ọgbọ tupu anyị amalite. If you are watching a replay, you need to be a little bit patient so that members of the channel that paid for this live class will come on board so that we can start the class fully in earnest. So a little bit patient will be needed so that they can come around before the class will start fully. But if you are a member of the channel, just drop your greetings so that we can begin. Ndewo, Wanda Esther, Kafu. Welcome to class. So we're expecting others to come around. So we are waiting for others to join so that we all can begin. So we already have a student in class. So while I'm waiting for others, we can be discussing with those online now. Please, if you are hearing me clearly, Esther, let me know in the chat that I'm audible enough. You can hear me live. You can hear me clearly. You can hear me well. So please indicate that I'm audible enough. You can hear what I'm saying loud and clear. Let me hear you or see that, registered in the chat that you can hear me very well. The mic is working well while we expect others to join up immediately. So let's begin conversation while we wait for others. Kekimere, Esther, please reply in the chat. Reply in the chat while we are waiting for others to join up. We go on with the conversation. Kekimere, that is a question to you, Esther. Kekimere. We expect you to give a response. Drop your response in the chat. That will show that you understood my question and give me the right answer to that question. Ke ki mere. Yes, what is the answer to that question? Ke ki mere. Give me the response to that while we are waiting for others to come on board. Yes, and I may check you. Asim ke ki mere. Esther Okafor. Type your reply by chat. Okay. Oh, the ma onye nkuzi Igbo. Okay, that's lovely. That's lovely. So, aga m asị gị daalụ o. Daalụ. Okay. Asị m gị daalụ. Okay, my keyboard is not in Igbo yet. Let me take it to Igbo. So, daalụ. Asịrị m Esther daalụ. Okay, we have Clement Emehe. No, na klaasị nke taa. Ka ị mere Maazị Clement. Ụtụtụ ọma o. I believe this will be the morning in the US. Yes, that's why you are greeting us. Ụtụtụ ọma. Clement is joining from US. Clement ndewo. Kee maka onye isi obodo unu Trump. Ọ dịkwa mma. Ana m ajụ gị Maazị Clement. Kee maka Trump. Zaa m ka m mara ka ọ dị. Kee maka Trump. Okay, ọ dị mma. Is that adị mma or ọ dị mma? I'm asking of one person. Ajụrụ m gị maka onye isi obodo unu bụ Trump. Ọ bụ ọ dị mma ka ọ bụ adị mma? I think it's a typo. Okay, it should be ọ dị mma. That's better. Ndewo. Ọkwa ị na-anụ olu m nke ọma, Maazị Clement? Ị na-anụ olu m ọfụma? Ị na-anụ olu m nke ọma, Maazị Clement? Biko zaa m ka ị bido. I am fine. He's okay, okay. Ị na-anụ olu m nke ọma? I ask you, Clement, this question. Ị na-anụ olu m nke ọma? That is a question for Clement. Ị na-anụ olu m nke ọma? That is a question for Clement. Question for Clement. Ị na-anụ olu m nke ọma? Ana m eche azịza gị, Maazị Clement. Ana m eche azịza gị, Maazị Clement. I'm not actually asking about your work, so it's about my own voice. Okay, if you understand my question, it is about you. I said, in olum, nke ọma. So this is not about your work. It's not olu. If it is olu, that would be work. But olu is not work. Ajụrụ m gị, ị na-anụ olu m nke ọma? Ajụghị m maka ọlụ gị. Olu. Wow. Ketandru, you're welcome. For a long time you've not come to class. Ketandru. Kedu. Kedu. No, na class. So we have Ketandru. Oh, princesses, you're already in class. There. Came America. Ketandu. No. Nnake, big Nnake, dewo. Kekunu mere. Ana m asị unu, Chukwu gọzie unu n'aha Jizọs. Kedu ka isi azam? Gịnị ka ị ga-asị m? What will be our reply to my prayers? Okay, let's begin. Okay, Nwaneka. Yeah. You corrected me last time. Your name is Nwaneka. Okay, Nwaneka. Ndewo Nwaneka. Ọ dị mma ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Anyị na-eme Igbo add-ons. Ya ka anyị na-eme ugbu a. Verb add-on. That is to say, parent verb that are altered in meaning by adding one or two things to the parent verb to change the meaning and the application in a sentence. We have done about 3 of them or thereabout. So we are doing another one today. So the parent word we are looking at today is they. What is the meaning as a verb? Who will tell us the meaning? Write the meaning in the chat. The meaning of the word they. Gịnị ka ọ pụtara? Okwu a bụ they. Gịnị ka ọ pụtara n'asụsụ Bekee? What is the meaning of the word? Drop the meaning if you know they. Gịnị bụ they? Okay. Okay. Ken wrote one wrote Ken wrote right. All the people that wrote right are correct. They is right, not put. So to put is debe. If I had said debe, that would have been put. But they is right. So if I say debe, that is where you can say put. It can either be debe or dewe, that is put or keep. But they is right. So those of you that wrote right, you are all correct. So we're going to alter this word by adding things to it to change the meaning. So let's begin. Kembo is this. Thought put is tinye. Yeah is also tinye. Tinye is also put. The way is keep. Actually, the difference between keep and tinye is the way is keep. Why tinye is put. So debe or the way is keep. Thank you for that observation, Nake. So debe is keep. Why tinye is put. Okay. So let's go. The first word is this. What is this? Dekwa. 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 What does it mean? We alter it by adding KWA to the original verb, removing one E from the original verb. What does dekwa mean? De is right. Dekwa is what? Okay. Neka wrote, write it. Let's see what other people say. Nake wrote, also dekwa. Oh my God. Network is beginning to play trick. Then they start in Wala. Okay, dekwa. But the answer is network now. The thing will not work again. Okay. Is it still rolling? Okay, thank God though. Okay. So those who wrote also right, they all got it right. Also right. Yes. Let's make a simple sentence. Ka anyị dekwa ya. Ka anyị dekwa ya. Ka anyị dekwa in is in. Okay, Nake wrote first, followed by Esther, that followed by Princess English. Ka anyị dekwa ya. Sorry about that. It's the problem of the world, and that is more in Nigeria. Clement wrote, let us also write it. Ken wrote, let us also write it. Okay, Princess, are you able to see your network now? Also write. But remember, we said that I need the choir. Let us also let us write it. Also write it. They are the one that. But the video is not showing. What about my voice? Hello? Am I available? Is it back? Back? Any change? Hello? Any improvement? I think it's talking now. Is the video back? Can you see the video? Okay, somebody has said A. Clement has said A. All right, thank God for that. Okay, so we're back. Okay, it's working now. Glory be to God. I have to change my network source. Okay. Now I've written the sentence. Kanyi princess. Did you see that? So we are through with this. We go to the next word. This is the next word. Désir. Désir. Let's go. Gịnị bụ désir? Désir. Some will say désir is the same thing. Désir or désir. Désir. Yes, what does that mean? Désir. Désir. It appears many of our people have left, or network is pushing them out. Are we there? What does désir mean? Yes, I'm waiting for you. Okay, Ken wrote, then write. Then write. Okay, I'm waiting for other options. Yes. Other responses, désir. 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 I got one response. What are the rest saying about this? Désir. Yes, I'm waiting for you. Okay, Clemens Yamaim. Okay, that's a response. Okay, any other response? Yes, any other person there that is supplying answer? Nake say Amaim. Amaim. Oh. What about Esther? What did Esther say? Then write Amaim. Let's know that it's Amaim that is your own also. See Amaim, Eba. De Amaim. Esther, de Amaim. Okay, Sherry Mango, you're welcome to class. Deo. Any other person that is suggesting a meaning of désir, Esther Amaim. Okay, let me write the answer. Ken, you try, but that is not the answer. That's what you wrote is désir. That is the one that is then right or just right. That is désir. But désir is right well. Right well. You know, when somebody has written something or so, you say désir, write it well. Désir is different from désir. If it ends with a, it becomes just right or right now. Désir. Okay, but désir is right well. Right well. Okay, that is désir. I say désir, write it well. Okay. Somebody say, Clement say, what about day of Fuma? Is also correct. Say day of Fuma, write it well. It's also correct. But we're looking at using one word to get many meaning. We are not adding two words. Day of Fuma is two words. So we are looking at single word that can be altered with add-ons to mean something else. So day of Fuma is correct, but we are looking at one word to be altered. So désir is write it well. Désir, write well. So we got the answer already. So let's go to sentence now. Biko dezie ya. Biko dezie ya ugbu a. Biko dezie ya ugbu a. Biko dezie ya ubua. What does that mean? Biko dezie ya ubua. Biko dezie ya ubua. Sherry Mango has supplied the answer. Let's go. Clement has written. What about others? Biko dezie ya ubua. Ken has written. Esther has written. Big Nake has written. Who else is there? Princess, are you still in the class? Princess, are you still there? Our network has knocked you out. All right. Let's mark the script for those who have written. The first person to write is Soibi Sherry Mango. Please write it well now. Of course, you wrote Noah and corrected yourself. That's correct. Clement, please write it well now. Correct. Ken, please write it well now. Correct. Esther, please write it well now. Correct. Nake, please write it well now. All of you are correct. So we move straight to the next word. And that is Desia. 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 Some will say Decha. They mean the same thing actually. Desia or Decha. Either of the two means the same thing. Desia or Decha. What does that mean? Desia or Decha. Both are the same thing actually. What does that mean? Let's go. Gini bu Desia. So it can also mean this. It can also be pronounced as Desia or Desia. Okay. Sherry Mango has written. Okay. Desia or Desia. Okay. Sherry Mango has supplied answer. Clement say Amaim. Gịnị ka ndị ọzọ na-ekwu? Desia. The first sound is Desia. Desia, that is the sound we are using now. It can be pronounced in two ways and mean different things. But we're talking about Desia now. Desia or Decha. Let's go. Ken wrote write all. Okay. Sherry Mango wrote after writing. Yes, what are the rest people saying? Let's go there. What are the rest saying? Okay, Nake wrote write it completely. Okay. We shall see the one that is the answer. What are the rest saying? Esther, what do you say to this? What about my sister has left? One Neka has left. One Neka, where are you? You have left the class. Princess Ezenwa, are you still in the class? I don't know. Okay. Any other person trying? Never get response from Esther. I never get response from Princess. I never get response from Clement. Okay, Clement has said that mine. Is Esther not saying also am I am? Right, good writing, Esther. That's a trial. Good effort. Okay, let's look at the answer. Okay. Depending on the sound, if you say desia, you are saying right all. So that is, if we use that sound, it means Ken is correct. Desia, that is complete right. Right all, right completely, right, not complete this time, not complete, but right all. Desia, that is right all. But if you use the sound desia, Sherry Mango is correct after writing. Idesia, idesiaha, after writing them. Idesiaha. So if we use that word as desia, it will be idesia, and then anyị apụọ. I'm giving an example of sentence here. So idesia anyị apụọ. After you finish writing, we will go out. Idesia anyị apụọ. That is after writing. But if you use the sound desia, okay, then it means write all. Write all. That is what Ken used. Desia. So I can now say desia ha niile as a sentence. Write all of them. Desia ha niile. Write all of them. That is desia sound. But desia is after writing. That is two meanings for the same word, same spelling, but different sounds and different meanings. Is that clear to everybody? If you understood, if you get what I explained, you just indicate A, the A. If you understood what I explained about the two sound and two meaning, okay. Desia is after writing. Desia is write all. I desia write all. Why desia is after writing? Okay, you are saying which desia is high tone and low tone. High tone is desia is actually high high. Desia is after writing is high high. Okay, they are high high. Okay, but desia is low high. The low high. Desia low high. That is right all. But desia is high high after writing. Okay. If you wrote the cha or the chara is also correct. The cha is also correct, which means right or the cha or after writing. Ide cha, the sound will also be different. So nake, that word is also the same meaning. The cha or the sia, correct, the same thing. The cha or the sia, the same thing. So the sound will also be different for the meaning. So they actually decha and desia are the same thing. The sound also changes the meaning from either right or right after writing, whichever is the case. Is that clear? Ịghọtara ihe m kwuru? Ọ bụrụ na ịghọtara ya sị m aghọtara m ya. How many people can write what I said? Aghọtara m ya. Write what I just said now. Aghọtara m ya, which means yes, I understood it. Aghọtara m ya. Sherry Mango has written that. Sherry Mango had done exactly what I asked her to do, asked us to do. Aghọtara m ya. Nnake, I didn't say you should just write A. I say write aghọtara m ya. Yes, I understood it. That is what I said. Okay. Aghọtara m ya. Okay. Clement has done that exactly. What are the rest people waiting for? Esther. Not aghọtara m ya. It's aghọtara m ya. Esther. It's not aghọtara m ya. It's aghọtara m ya. That is GH, not H. It's not AH. It's AGH. Re, GH. Aghọtara m ya. So that is correction for Esther. All right. Correction done. That's fine. Ken. Aghọtara m ya. Correct. Aghọtara m ya. Aghọtara m ya kwa. Okay. You're adding extra to what I said. Okay. All right. Let's go to the next word. And the next word is dezuo. 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 Yes. Who is giving all the meaning of this? Dezuo. Okay. Ken is in with an answer. What are the rest saying? Okay. Clement is in. Sherry Mango is in. Who else is responding to this? Meaning of dezuo. Yes. Who else is responding to this? Dezuo. Okay. Esther is also saying right completely. Then all of you are correct. Dezuo is right complete. Right completely. Okay. Let's go to our sentence now. Ọ sịrị m dezuo ya. Ọ sịrị m dezuo ya. What does that mean? Ọ sịrị m dezuo ya. Ọ sịrị m dezuo ya. What does that mean? Ọ sịrị m dezuo ya. Princess, it's good to know you are still in the class because I've not heard from you for long. Or you just rejoin back now, or you've been around because I've not been getting your response. Did you just rejoin? I think network frustrated you initially. Ọ sịrị m dezuo ya. Ọ sịrị m dezuo ya. Ọ sịrị m dezuo ya. I know it's network that pursued you. You're a busy woman. I don't have time to waste. All right. Ọ sịrị m dezuo ya. Ọ sịrị m dezuo ya. Remember, dezuo is right complete. Ọ sịrị m dezuo ya. Yes. Ọ sịrị m dezuo ya. I got responses already from Princess wrote first, followed by Sherry Mango, followed by Big Nake, followed by Ken, followed by Esther. Okay. So let's review your answers. First by Princess. He said, write it completely. Something is missing in your sentence. Oserem, that M is missing. That M is me. So Princess, me is missing in your sentence. Sherry Mango, he told me to write it completely. Excellent. Correct. Nake, he told me to write it completely. Correct. Ken, he or she said I should write it completely. Correct. Esther, he or she told me to write completely. Correct. Clement, he told me to write it completely. But Esther, he didn't put it to write it. This ya, that ya is it. That's missing in your sentence. But that's fair trial. That's a fair trial. Let's go to the next one. And then the next one is the cutter, the cutter, the cutter. That is the next word. What is the meaning? The cutter. What does the cutter mean? What does the cutter mean in Igbo? The cutter. Let's go. Yeah. Supply the answers. Mee ya ọsịsọ, dee ya ọsịsọ. Gịnị ka the cutter pụtara n'asụsụ Igbo? Okay. The cutter. Clement is in with a response. What did other people say? The cutter. Okay, Nake has written, waiting for others. The cutter. The cutter. The cutter. What does that mean? Ngwa ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Let's go on. Fire your answer. Fire your answer. Gịnị bụ the cutter? What is the cutter? Yes. Waiting for you. Princess, are you there? Sherry Mango, where are you? Ken, where are you? The cutter. Esther, where are you? Gịnị bụ the cutter? The cutter. The cutter. I got two responses. What are the rest people doing? I hope you've not gone to sleep. The cutter. It's either you know or you don't know. If you don't know, see am I. If you know, you write it. Let's go on. Dekọta. Ngwa mee ọsịsọ. Dekọta. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Gịnị na-eme? What is happening? Ị maghị ihe bụ dekọta? Okay, princess, amaghị. That's okay. It's not a crime if you don't know. If you don't know, write amaghị. So we supply the answer. Dekọta. Dekọta. Yes, 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 yes. Esther, Ken, Sherry Mango. Where are you people? Gịnị bụ dekọta? Mm. If you don't know, just write a mime so we know we're not waiting for you. Write again. That's what Esther said. Dekota. Okay, none of you got this one. None of you. None of you. Dekota means write together. Write together. Write together. That's the dekota. Okay, that is dekota. Write together. Let's have a short sentence for this. Okay. Dekọta ha niile n'otu akwụkwọ. Dekọta ha niile n'otu akwụkwọ. Dekọta ha niile n'otu akwụkwọ. What does that mean? Dekọta ha niile n'otu akwụkwọ. Dekọta ha niile n'otu akwụkwọ. Who will try this? Dekọta ha niile n'otu akwụkwọ. Sherry Mango is in. Dekọta ha niile n'otu akwụkwọ. Let's go. Dekọta ha niile n'otu akwụkwọ. Okay. Ken is in. Sherry Mango is changing her mind. Okay. Ken came in strong. Princess is in. Yes, I wait for others. Dekọta ha niile n'otu akwụkwọ. Let's go. Shoot your shot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. So I got 3 responses. Sherry Mango is in. Back again. Okay. Dekọta ha niile n'otu akwụkwọ. Okay. Any other response? Esther, are you there? Clement, are you there? Big Nake, are you still there? Clement, they all wrote together in the book. That's a good trial. Esther, are you coming with a response? Dekọta ha niile n'otu akwụkwọ. Okay, Esther is in. Okay, let's review your answers. The first person to answer is Ken. Ken wrote, write all of them together in one book. That is the perfect answer. Others try, but not perfect. Princess wrote, write them. Ha niile is all of them, not just them. If I say dekọta ha n'otu akwụkwọ, that would be write them together on one book, not even your book, not even on your paper. Otu akwụkwọ is one book or one paper. That is fine. If you use one book, if you use one paper, it's still okay, but not on your paper. No to akwụkwọ on one paper or one book. Sherry Mango wrote, write them together in one book. What is missing there is write all of them. All of them. Ha niile. No to akwụkwọ is all of them. Clement, they all wrote together in one book. No, not at all. Esther, write it all together first in the book. No, no first there in the sentence. Dekọta ha niile n'otu akwụkwọ. So the answer is what Ken wrote. Write all of them together. I've not even written the Igbo version together in one book. Let me write the Igbo version after this. Write all of them together in one book. Dekọta, let me write the Igbo version first also because of those who are copying. Dekọta ha niile n'otu akwụkwọ. That is what I said. Dekọta ha niile n'otu akwụkwọ. Okay, that is settled. We go to the last one for this word today, and that is desire. My I in this desire have dot under. In case you are copying, I can't get I with dot under when I'm live. I don't know why. But put dot under your I is desire, not desire. Is I with dot under. Desire. So what does that mean? Gịnị bụ desire? Let's go. Gịnị bụ desire? Ngwa, mee ọsịsọ. Gịnị bụ desire? Ngwa, ngwa, ngwa. Fire on, fire on, fire on. Gịnị bụ desire? Okay, Ken is in. Clement is in with a mime. Cherry Mango is in. Who else is writing? Gịnị bụ desire? What is desire? Gịnị bụ desire? No. Gịnị bụ desire? I got two answers. What are the rest doing? Desire is one word we are using. We are altering one word to give it different meanings. Like what is called verb add on. Add on. You are adding something on the verb to change the meaning. Desire. No, right is where we have done that already. That is desire. That one ends with E, but this is ending with A. Desire. Desire ending with A. Yes. I got 3 responses. Any other person coming in? If you don't know the answer, just write a mime so we don't need to wait for you. Desire. No, we have finished writing completely. We say this way is right completely. So Esther, you are taking us backward. In that case, yeah, mime, that's okay, no problem. So the answer is as written by Ken and Sherry Mango. Okay, Ken wrote, then write. If you use then write, the sound is desire, desire, that is then write. But desire is right now. Write it now. Desire, 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 right now, or just right. So that's why Sherry Mango is correct. Ken, the second meaning of the second word Ken right now, or just right, is desire, right now, or just right. Desire. But if the sound is desire, desire, it means then right. Then right. Owe desire, he then wrote it. Owe desire. But desire ubua is write it now. Just write it now. Desire. I mean, after much discussion, you say, okay, desire. Just write it. Okay. Desire ubua. Just write it now. Desire ubua is just write it now. Just write it now. Just write it. Okay. Or write it now. Okay. But when you say, you can get up and pass, you know, it's like that. But when you say desire is then right, then right. A sentence for that. Ha wee desire. Okay. This means they then wrote it. They then wrote it. Ha wee desire. Okay. Remember the two sounds. Desire is now right or just right. Desire, okay, is then wrote. Then wrote. Right. I believe these are all clear. If you know you understood what I explained, please indicate by saying A, right, A, I wataramia, or just A. Let me be sure you got my explanation. All right, Sherry Mango is right with me. He got it, she got it. How about the rest? Esther got it. How about the rest, people? Are you with me? Are we together in this? Okay, Big Naka is together with me. Princess, are you together with me? Is that fine? Clement, are you okay with that? Okay. Are you okay with that? All right. So I want to thank you all for coming around today. And I want to appreciate all of you that turned up. Today we did well by our number. We turned up more than before. Can you specify the tones? Okay. Desire, desire is low and low, low. Desire, low, low, low tone for E, low tone for I, and then in fact it's low, low. Desire is low, low. All is low, 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 low. Desire, okay. Now right or just right, okay. Desire is high, high, high. Desire, high, high, high. Then root, then root. Desire, all is high. Okay. So I want to appreciate you all for being around today. Please do remember to give us a thumbs up. I appreciate the little effort we are making. But I also thank you much for making the class a lively one. The contribution was massive. Everybody were active today. We all contributed. You all tried. You are great. So I want to thank you all for making our time for this and keeping the wheel rolling. I believe you've learned something today. If you do, can you indicate that I've learned something today? Give us a thumbs up. Give us anything you think, thumbs up, like, whatever you want or you think you can do to encourage us to push on with this. Okay, if you know you are learning. Thank you, Sherry Mango, for all you are. What is that? Okay, Jessica Diallo Clement, thank you. Appreciate. All right. You know you've learned something today, something new. Please do appreciate your teacher. Encourage us to do more. I want to appreciate you all for keeping faith with us. Unu na-agbalị nke ọma. Chukwu gọzie unu niile n'aha Jizọs. Anyị ga-ahụ n'izu ụka ọzọ. We will see next week. Ka emesịa. All right. Imeela. Thank you.